don't come again, oh. The number one problem magnet, the walking wahala, the king of palava.
Chama, we don't know. So now you book the ride.
Okay, na me order the ride.
So after enter na mood go now.
Okay, no for see wait. Na special ride now order so.
Like you want me go deliver something for you? Wait.
No. I cannot be delivery. In fact, and I want deliver something enter this motor. I get one girl where I want carry enter the motor KNACK.
Jesus.
I don't understand. Wait.
What type of plane is this?
Chama, they don't write a hotel for my car now. What's up?
If I get money for hotel, I no go order this right now. But see, hotel now about 10,000 naira. I no get. So, but this right now, if you check inside now about 1K. Waiting good happen. Someone bring the girl come inside. I'll be 2 minutes, man. I don't finish.
I bet you say it's in a prank. Wait, you want?
No.
My car.
No, they talk that thing. I don't tell you I'll be 2 minutes, man. I just need now. I don't finish.
So wait, you no get house?
Okay, I get house, but I get one kind roommate for that house. Apart from that, if you get one pastor, now monitoring spirit for my life. It means that I just carry the other day, you don't show. Let me just my order Uber. Do what I'm supposed to do, sharp. And I feel even give you 5,000.
I don't know about money. I don't understand how you go come the like. It's
I know they talk this thing just like this. I don't come.
What be this?
I'll be 2 minutes, man.
Bros, I need to do. I beg.
Okay, wait. Now I will tell you something. To just give you benefits. Now if I finish, you self KNACK.
You sure for it to talk? No be when that time reach now. You go can't do it.
Okay, no be your motto. If I finish, you KNACK.
Come
on, call again. I go say it. See, and I'll be 2 minutes, man. No, they last long.
What's going on here?
Only just 2 minutes.
Bad guy. Onkopi, Mr. Wahala. Every day na different trouble with the backfire.
Jesus.
He got too much sense with the little nonsense. Mr. Trouble Magnet, Focus Magnet, with Onkopi.
What be this?
Dissolve!
God help me now that day. God help me. Help me.
Lord of God.